Hello and welcome to day 4. There we go, day 4. We're going to be doing our very first day of twice a day feeding. We're going to keep following the exact same recipe. I'm going to look at grams of starter. Oh, okay. So 37 grams of starter, 58 grams of water, and then 25 and 25 of normal flour and whole wheat flour. Let's begin. This is what we're lurking with. It's nothing, it's still liquidy, not webby yet, so, but I actually had my friend Jay call me last night asking for help with his sourdough starter. So Jay, if you're watching this now, thank you so much for contributing. 8 grams of water. A little bit too much. That's okay. And as you guys know, I prefer whole wheat. Oop, that's a little bit too much too. Heavy hand today, heavy hand. Honestly, it kind of checks out just because put a little bit too much water in there, and that's fine. We don't want it to be overwatered, not like an overwatered plant. Voila! And remember, we do not throw away this this discard in that garbage disposal. We throw it in the garbage. Perfect. But we put... I'm still wrestling with names. I kind of want to name her Valentina for Valentine's Day. But once again, if you have a good name, say something in the comments. I'll see you tonight. Happy day 4 for the first day of 2 feedings.
At night.
Good evening. Time to feed Sour Lady Valentina. It's a long name, but we're going to go with it. It's day 4, and today is the first day we're feeding it twice. This is our second feeding, so we're feeding at night. And we're following that same recipe. 37 grams of the starter, 58 grams of the water, and then 25 and 25 of the whole wheat. 37? Nope, 21. And the regular flour. That might be too much. Oh, we're so close. Just a little bit more. That looks like a 3. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. One more gram. One more gram. You got this. Make them wait for it. Hell yeah. Okay, so we got 37 grams of the starter. The water. Oh yeah. And 50. I'll put a little extra spice. We'll just have it add up to 50. A little bit more. Not dope, way too much. That's okay. And we stir. Just like that, and voila. And we're going to stir a little bit more. I don't know if you saw what I saw. There was a little... Oh, that's gross. Oh, we'll be cleaning that up after the video. Perfect. All right, and just like that, into day 4.